Welcome to all the brothers for today's lesson. Yeah, Shabab. So what we were doing last week, Shabab? Somebody remember? Yeah, Shabab. What we were doing last week? Some brother remembers that?
Cascade?
Cascade. Yes, very good. So today we're gonna continue cascade a little bit. Then we'll solve some problems for the cascade, inshallah. And let's start. So we have this tank, Shabab. This tank is there, and this tank is receiving two streams. This is feed 1 and this is feed 2. So here we have a sensor, transmitter, it is sending signal to the flow indicator controller. It is sending signal I to P converter. There is a valve here. Like this. This is feed 1. It is going in this tank and getting mixed. There is an agitator here. Same way we have here another sensor and transmitter, flow indicator transmitter 2. It is sending signal to the flow indicator controller 2. I2P converter is there, and it is bringing signal to the valve. Like this, same duplicate both lines. But this is feed 1 something, this feed 2. You can say this is water, this is milk. If you want to be more technical, you can say this is a terephthalic acid, this is ethylene glycol. Lot of things we can say, right? Here on this tank, we have a level indicator transmitter. On this tank, it is sending signal to the level indicator controller. It has a set point. Output of this controller is going as a set point for this controller also, and as a yeah, Shabab, everybody is there?
Yes.
Shabab with me? That's good. Shwab, please talk. Yeah, that's good. No, lot of brothers they are writing. So what we are doing, we are bringing this feed 1 here and this feed 2 here in this tank, and we are mixing it. After the tank, what happens, we don't know. So we have a level indicator transmitter here on this tank because we want to keep it up to some maximum level, and the minimum level is there. So we want to keep it, and this level is controlled by level indicator controller. Output of this controller is coming to both of these, flow indicator controller 1 and flow indicator controller 2. Both of them, it is coming. So which one is the master controller, Shabab? Which one is the master controller? Which one is the primary controller, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab. Which one is the primary controller? Level. Yeah, no, lot of brothers are writing level. So this one is the primary controller, right? How many slave controllers we have? How many secondary controllers we have?
2.
Two secondary controllers. Are they parallel or series?
Series.
Are they parallel or series, Shabab? A lot of brothers are writing series, some brothers are writing parallel. So, yes, are they parallel series? Output of the level controller is going both controllers at the same time. So, it should be parallel or series. No, Brother Ali is writing parallel. So, we have two secondary controllers in parallel. Okay, Shabab. Make the signal flow diagram. Signal flow, write PV, SPM, get the first. Yes, Shabab. Draw the signal flow diagram. Signal flow, signal is going this direction, which direction it is going. Write PV, SP, M, signal flow, get the first. Yes, Shabab. Somebody gonna get the first? Somebody is trying, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, somebody is trying? So we are controlling here level. We are controlling here level in terms of flow. If there is a maximum level, if it reaches there, then we will close these valves, flow control valves, and we will stop the flow. If still more level is needed, we will open the valve more. Yeah, Shabab, somebody is trying to get first. Somebody is trying to solve it, Shabab. Shabab with me? Somebody is trying, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, we are trying.
Yeah,
Yes,
please talk.
teacher, yes.
Thank you very much. Somebody is trying to solve it, Shabab? Okay, some brother they are writing yes. Okay, try, Shabab, please try.
Teacher, what's the question, teacher? I
Question is this:
what's the question?
write the PV, SP, M, make the signal flow, get the first.
Okay.
Yes, Shabab. Somebody is trying. The brother Ali is asking how this loop is working. First, you put the signal flow, put the PV, SP, M. Then we will start discussing how it is working. Without mentioning PV, SP, M, how we can describe? How we can explain how it is working? Yeah, Shabab, somebody is working on it?
Teacher,
Yes. You completed?
do you want to draw like this? I know, teacher,
Draw
signal
and put the
before
PV, SP, M.
the place of signal and okay. Like first lecture, teacher.
Yes. Yes, Shabab, this signal is going up or down? A lot of brothers, they are writing up. Okay, up. This is, what is its name? PV. Okay, a lot of brothers, they are writing PV. That's good. Okay, what is this signal is coming this way or up?
It's P also.
That's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing like this. Okay, what is its name? Say, Shabab, say. What is its name? Lot of brother writing SP. SP. Okay. What is this signal? It is going left side or right side?
Output, left
Left
side.
side.
This side or this side, Shabab? Which side?
Left side.
Left. That's good. What is its name?
M, output.
M. That's good. Okay, Shabab. This is upward or downward? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing up. What is its name, Shabab?
PV.
PV. That's good. Very good. This signal is coming down or up?
Down.
Down. What is its name?
It's P.
SP. That's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing. What is this, Shabab? Left side, right side?
Left side.
Left side.
M. That's good. Left side. Very good. Okay. This one here,
Up.
up or down?
Upside.
Up.
Down.
Very
PV.
good. What is its name?
PV.
VV.
PV. Very good. This signal,
Right side.
right side, left side?
Right.
Right side. Very good. What is its name?
M, output.
Out.
M. Very good. So, now explain it. Describe the system. It is which system, Shabab? Cascade. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing cascade. It is cascade system with how many master? One
One
master. How many slaves? Two slaves. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing. Two slaves. In parallel or series? Two slaves in parallel or series, Shabab?
Parallel.
Parallel. Very good. Very good. Okay. Luckily, both slaves, they are flow. Right? Both secondary controller, they are flow. And primary controller is level. Right, Shabab? So what is the primary? We are controlling level of this tank. We are controlling level of this tank in terms of these two flows. So these two flows are coming in this tank. We are mixing them. If the level is coming to our set point, we will stop the flow. So are with me?
Yes.
That's good. So this was the question one brother asked me before. What this system is doing? This system is controlling the level of this tank with respect to these two flows in parallel. If the level is coming to the set point, PV comes equal to set point, this flow will be stopped. So these both valves must be closed. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers are saying yes. Shabab, please try to talk. The talking is very necessary.
What about
Okay. Now, what is the primary variable, Shabab? What is the primary variable? How many variables we have here?
one? Primary.
Level. Very good. We have two variables here, level and flow. Right, Shabab? So the primary variable is what? Level. Right?
Yes.
Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers are writing yes. So primary transmitter is what, Shabab? What is the primary transmitter? Level indicator transmitter. We should name complete. Level indicator transmitter is the primary transmitter. What is primary controller? What
Level,
is the name of the primary controller, Shabab?
level indicator controller.
Very good. Level indicator controller. Very good. Now, lot of brothers they are writing. Okay. Which one is the secondary variable?
Flow indicator transmitter.
So we should say two flow variables are there in parallel. How many flow variables, Shabab? Two. Two flow variables in parallel. Right, Shabab? Okay. Which one is the primary secondary variable? Two flow variables in parallel. Which one is the secondary transmitter, Shabab? What is the secondary transmitter?
Flow indicator transmitter 2.
Flow indicator transmitter 1 and flow indicator transmitter 2. Both are in parallel. We need to mention that. We have two flow indicator transmitters, two. Flow indicator transmitter 1 and flow indicator transmitter 2. How many secondary controllers, Shabab?
2 secondary controller, which is a flow indicator.
Two secondary controllers. Very good. Flow indicator controller 1 and flow indicator controller 2 both are in parallel. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers are writing yes. Okay. Any question here, Shabab? No. Please ask me any question. So you
About
do the system. You put the signal flow diagram. You mention PVSPM. You describe the system.
What
Now, if some brother has any question, please ask me. Yes.
yeah. What about type of valve? Is both of them normally open or normally closed?
You mean valve? Yeah. No. Again, it depends upon the application. You know, imagine these are very costly material and you just want to bring them whenever you want. Then you will put them normally open. So whenever you want, you can bring, right? The other side is this, the other approach is this. They are continuous, 24-hour working. They are 24-hour working. So then whenever you want, you close them. So then you will put the normally
Closed.
open. So
Open.
whenever you want, you close them. If you are using them sometimes you are not using them, then you put them normally closed. So whenever you want, you open them. Shabab with me?
Okay, fine.
Let me explain once again. Imagine this plant is 24 hours, all the time working. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yeah.
So all the time, 24 hours it is working. So these walls should be what then? Normally open, normally closed.
Open. Normally open.
Normally open, right? So whenever you want, you close them. Shabab with me? So we put them normally open, and whenever you want, you close them. The other side, maybe this plant you need sometimes and you don't need sometimes. Right, Shabab? Then you put normally close here. Then you put normally close. So whenever you want, they get open. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, yes. With you.
Okay, that's good. Now, for example, our car, the valve between benzene and engine, it should be normally open, normally closed.
Normally closed because it's fuel.
Normally closed. Why? So
Fuel.
you are using the car 24 hours?
No.
No. So it should be normally open, normally closed.
Normally closed.
Normally closed. So whenever you want, you get open. Right?
Yes.
So when you push the accelerator, you are opening it more or closing it more?
Open it more.
Open it more. So if you leave the accelerator, you close it, right?
Yes.
Okay. On the other hand, the valve between Marafiq and our house should be normally open, normally closed.
Also normally closed.
Normally open.
Why? Normally open.
Normally open. Yes.
Because you need the water all the time, 24 hours you need the water, right?
Oh, because of water. Okay, fine. I got it.
No, it is not because of water, it is because of use. You use the water 24 hours or not.
Yes, yes.
So you need the water always coming at your home. Shiva with me?
With you, teacher, yes. Continue.
Okay, that's good. So same here, imagine this plant we are using 24 hours, then this valve should be normally open, both of them. So whenever we want, we close them. Right, Shabab?
Right.
In this plant, we are using not continuously. Whenever we want, we use them. Then these both the valves should be normally closed. So whenever we want, we open them. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing with me. So depending upon the application, depending upon the situation, we make them normally open or normally close. Right now, we are assuming this plant we are using 24 hours. It is 24-hour plant. So these valves are normally open. Whenever we want, we close them. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Any brother has any question? Okay, let's go a little further, then we will compare both the examples. So now we are drawing an example